In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI Image Generator to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tool simplifies the creative process by generating unique images from your own descriptions. First, navigate to Canva and locate the AI Image Generator in the Design Tools section. Click on it to open the workspace where all the magic happens. Canva's interface is user-friendly, so finding this feature is easy. Next, describe the image you want to create. Think of this as communicating your vision to the AI. Be specific and creative. For example, a sunset over a calm sea with the silhouette of a sailboat. The more vivid your description, the better the AI can match your vision. After crafting your description, click the Create button. The AI will process your input and generate multiple visually appealing options in moments. Thanks to Canva's advanced algorithms, the results are quick and diverse. Now, explore the generated images and select the one that fits your needs. You can further customize it by adjusting colors, adding text, or incorporating other design elements using Canva's tools. This ensures the final image is both AI generated and tailored to your project. And that's it. Using Canva's AI Image Generator in 2025 is simple and rewarding. With just a few clicks, select the feature, describe your vision, and create an image. You can transform an idea into a visual masterpiece. It's a great way to boost creativity and save time, letting you focus on other aspects of your project.